Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Py2Pay. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, share and support. In previous video, I have explained a concept that is on else if condition. In this video, I am going to explain max and min concepts that is going to be performed on list. To explain this concept, I have taken a question that was asked in Tech Mahindra. I don't have a complete question here, but I know the concept behind the question. I will explain here. So they have given a list of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 16. So what your task is, you need to find the maximum difference between the elements. So the difference between the first two elements is 2. Again the difference between next two is again 2. After that 6 minus 8 also 2. So then 8 minus 16 will be 8. Maximum difference for this list is 8, so that you can get through 16 minus 8. The one more thing is you need to get the absolute difference between these elements. You need to get the absolute difference between these two elements. So to do this, I have taken max and min concept. So how this max and min concept works in this question? Whenever I get a difference value, I am going to add the difference value to one of the list. So if I get a difference as 2, I am going to append that to one of the list. Again I am going to append 2, again 2 and then finally 8. After appending all the difference values, then I will find the maximum value in the list. After that I am going to print that maximum value. So this is what the explanation. I will get into the code. I think you guys understood this question, because this was a pretty simple question. I just taken this question to explain this max and min concept. Let's get into the code. This code can be completed in 4 to 5 lines. First we need to take input from an user, that is list map int comma input dot split. I will get all the list values to list 1. After this I need an list, a empty list, to append the values that are coming out of the difference. So I have declared a result list to append the values. After this I need a for loop to iterate through the list for I in range of length of list 1 minus 1. So here I am doing minus 1. I will explain that. For this question, if you consider this question only, here I need to get the difference values for 4 elements. You can see here I have taken a difference values between 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8 and 6. If I consider the whole length of this list, then the length of the list will be 5. Then the for loop will run for 5 times. I don't want the for loop to run for 5 times. Other than that, I need for loop to run for 4 times. That's why I am subtracting minus 1 from length of list. So this will get the difference values. I will declare variable here to store the difference values. I will get the difference values by subtracting value stored in 0th index and the value stored in first index. If I will increment, then it going to get the difference between values in the first index and values in the second index. This is how the for loop work. After getting the difference, I need to append the values to the result, where result list result dot append x. Finally, when all this for loop ends, I need to print the maximum value that is present in result list. This is a very simple code. You just need to understand how this max and min method works in Python. So if I give min function here, it's going to get the minimum value. If I give max here, it's going to get the maximum value out of the result. Let's verify whether the code is working fine or not. I will give a list here, that is 2, 4, then 6, then 10, again 1, 20. So the maximum value should be 10 here, because 10 minus 20 will be 10. So the 10 should be printed in output. So 10 is printing. So this was the question asked in Tech Mahindra this year. If you guys understand the way I am teaching, please subscribe, share with your friends and please support. Thank you. I will see you guys in next video. Until then, bye.